Host, ever heard of a crypto exchange that seems to be everywhere, yet nowhere at all? That's the mysterious Newton Crypto. You see it advertised online, hear whispers about its low fees, but when you try to find its headquarters, it's like chasing a digital phantom. So, what's the deal? Where is Newton Crypto really located? Music fades slightly. The rise of the digital nomad. The world of finance is changing. Forget stuffy suit anti-bankers on Wall Street. These days, it's all about the digital revolution. People are ditching the 9-to-5 grind and embracing the freedom of the digital nomad lifestyle. They work remotely, travel the world, and manage their finances online. Enter the crypto exchange. And that's where crypto exchanges come in. These online platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with ease. No more dealing with physical cash or complicated bank transfers. Crypto exchanges are perfect for the modern, mobile generation. Short video clip of people using phones to trade crypto. So, where is Newton Crypto? But here's the thing about Newton Crypto, unlike other major exchanges, they don't exactly advertise a physical headquarters. Their website is sleek and informative, but it's strangely silent on their location. This has sparked a lot of curiosity, and maybe even a little suspicion, online. Theory 1. The tech startup on the beach. Some folks believe Newton Crypto is a small, agile tech startup. The image they conjure is a bunch of young, tech-savvy entrepreneurs working remotely from beaches around the world, using video conferencing to collaborate. It's a cool idea, and it would certainly explain the lack of a central office. Show an image of a group of young people working on laptops on a beach. Theory 2. The global giant in disguise. But others have a different theory. They believe Newton Crypto is actually a much bigger player than they let on. Perhaps they're a subsidiary of a major financial institution, using a crypto-friendly facade to attract new customers. This theory suggests there's a massive, established company behind the scenes, pulling the strings. Show an image of a high-rise office building in a major city. The benefits of a decentralized approach. There are pros and cons to both theories. A small, remote team could be nimble and innovative, but might lack the resources of a larger company. On the other hand, a big corporation could offer stability and security, but might be less flexible and adaptable. Show split screen with benefits of each theory on either side. The truth is, Newton Crypto's lack of a central location might actually be a strategic advantage. In the world of cryptocurrency, decentralization is key. There's no single authority controlling the flow of money. Perhaps Newton Crypto is reflecting this philosophy by having a global, distributed workforce. Security concerns? But let's be honest, the lack of transparency can also be a bit unsettling. When you're trusting an exchange with your hard-earned money, you want to know who you're dealing with and where they're located. It's important to do your own research on any exchange before using it, Newton Crypto included. Looking for answers. Show a person looking at a computer screen with a question mark symbol. So, where is Newton Crypto really located? The answer, for now, remains a bit of a mystery. But hey, that's the exciting thing about the crypto world, it's constantly evolving, and the rules are still being written. Perhaps in the future, Newton Crypto will choose to shed some light on their location. Until then, we'll just have to keep an eye out for clues. Outro. Music returns briefly. Host, alright, that's all the time we have for today. If you have any thoughts on the whereabouts of Newton Crypto, leave a comment below. Let's get a discussion going. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.